and scenes. From Hollywood's charm to downtown's beat, to Santa Monica's ocean breeze. Walking around, taking pictures, enjoying the city. Baby, yeah, yeah. Exploring LA, camera in hand, taking in those California days. Moments captured, memories planned, Pacific Coast and Palm Cafe. Taking pictures, enjoying the city. Baby, yeah, yeah. So